how to find saved videos in YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find saved videos on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you're going to take is open up your YouTube app. After you open up a YouTube app, you can then add anything on your saved. So after you find a video, you can then save it. There you can see the save button, tap on save, and it's now been added to, let's say, watch later. I'll just save it to watch later. Now, finding your save later is really simple. Just go to the U button on the bottom right, and you should see your playlists. Under playlists, you'll find different albums. Since we added it to our watch later, we can simply head over there. And there you can see on the top the video that I just saved. And that's how simple it is on finding your saved videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. That's basically it for today's video. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.